Hi, welcome to Lady Fermenter, the channel dedicated to preserving food and fermenting beverages. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the new Yakima Valley Hop Box. Okay, here it is. It's the Yakima Valley Hops Hop Box. Let's take a peek what's inside. Okay, packing. Oh, Christmas card. Everyone's signatures. Nice. Then a little blurb about the hop box. And all the varieties. So this is the 2021 winter box. Top hops of 2020. All right, more packing. Looks like things got a little jostled. All right, we have 8 2-ounce cans of hops. Now the plus about this packaging is that this can is double dosed with nitrogen for the lowest oxygen environment possible. The freshest hops straight out of hop country. So you store it cool. It says keep them in a cold, dark place and use within 3 years for best results. If you don't use the whole thing, seal with food grade silicone lid and purge can with invert gas or use CO2 absorbing packets. All right, so what did we get? Talus, a USA hop. That one it says intense flavors of citrus, flowers, and wood with grapefruit, stone fruit, oak, and coconut. All right, then Zappa. This is 100% Neo-Mexicana and is grown exclusively by the CLS farms. So this also says a rebellious aroma hop that came straight from the mountains of New Mexico. All right, next is Strata, another USA hop. Strata is a new superstar variety with unique strawberry, mango, and funk. So perfect for IPAs, pale ales, and anything hazy. Medusa, another Neo-Mexicanas hop that delivers intense guava, apricot, and melon, along with citrus flavors. Okay. HBC 586. This one is an experimental hop that contains a melody of fruit flavors as well as slight herbal notes. Next we have Adina, also from the US. This one shows herbal and spicy flavor characteristics with light floral, lemon, and pine notes. Next up is Topaz from Australia. Shows pine along with fruit flavors of lychee and passion fruit from low heat applications. But it's also an efficient bittering hop. So you can use this one 2 ways. And Nelson Sauvin is from New Zealand. This one imparts a grape-like flavor to beers, defined as a cool climate white grape flavor. This one is also a dual purpose hop. All right, this card also has a 15% coupon code at yakimavalley.com. And then we also got some swag. All right, we got a magnet. Hoppiness comes in all shapes and sizes. Can't have too many magnets. Oh, and a sticker to announce that you're proudly brewing with Yakima Valley hops. And a deck of Yakima Valley playing cards. All right, so that's it. That's what's in the Winter 2021 pack. Great way to try some new things that you maybe haven't. So this is super fun. Can't wait to get brewing. So we did purchase this single box with the 2-ounce size is $40 unless you sign up for the year's subscription, which, by the way, you can cancel at any time. I think you get a 10% discount. Or you can commit to a year and save 15%. But I'm glad we bought it. It'll help me try some new hops out. Thanks for watching. Cheers.